How would you describe the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act and what it means for Wales?
Well, when I came to Cymru as the CEO of the FAW, I was amazed by this legislation that had been created for not just my children, but my children's children, that protects the country, that gives it a bright future. So I was blown away by this. For me in my day job, it's really important too, because the strategy of the FAW is built around the Wellbeing Act. It's a Bible for how we live our lives as the FAW.
Who is your change maker and why?
The Dalai Lama for me is somebody without actually having to physically do anything. His soul and the way he talks about the world just connects with me. And as I say, if ever I need some inspiration, I will reach for the Dalai Lama and I will look for his wise words.
I've kind of cheated, I've actually got two. So the first one is Renee Edo-Lodge. She's a British author and she's basically trying to bring the agenda for feminism and to highlight the issues with race and kind of systemic racism that we have. And the second person is Jacinda Ardern, as you know, New Zealand PM, although she's just stepped down. I just think she's such an inspirational leader. So Noel, what's next for you and what do you want to see happen in Wales?
Our big next thing is to make sure that we drive Cymru well-being in the world, the FAW's drive for sustainability right across this beautiful nation. Noel and Danielle, it's been great to chat with you this morning.
Thank you very much.